Welcome back. Today we are tackling a classic hard coding interview problem, regular expression matching. This problem tests your understanding of string manipulation, recursion, and dynamic programming. Here is the goal. We are given an input string, s, and a pattern, p. We need to write a function that determines if the entire string matches the pattern. The pattern can contain two special characters, a dot and a star. Let's break down the special characters. First, the dot. This is straightforward. A dot matches any single character. It's like a wildcard slot that can be filled by any letter. Now the star. This is where it gets tricky. The star matches 0 or more of the preceding element. It doesn't work alone, it modifies the character that comes right before it. Let's look at some examples. If we have Ms followed by star, it matches Miss. The most powerful pattern is dot star. Dot means any character, and star means any number of times. So dot star matches absolutely everything. How do we solve this? We can think recursively. We check if the first characters match. Then, we solve the problem for the rest of the string, but we must be careful about the star character. When we see a star after a character, we have a choice. We can either ignore the character-star combo completely, treating it as 0 occurrences. Or, if the character matches, we can use it and keep the star to potentially match again. Recursion can be slow because it solves the same subproblems over and over. We can optimize this using dynamic programming. We build a grid where each cell tells us if a part of the text matches a part of the pattern. Let's analyze the performance. The time complexity is big O of t times p, where t is the text length and p is the pattern length. We also need O of t times p space to store our dynamic programming table. To wrap up, remember that the dot is a simple wildcard, but the star looks back at the previous character. Using dynamic programming is essential here to avoid time limit errors in an interview.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.